No, love me hair. No. I'm giving it to you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Love Me Hair Company. Thank you so much, Love Me Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. You guys, as y'all can see, I'm looking gorgeous. And guess what? This wig is glueless. It is a 13x4 frontal lace closure, but there is no glue which was used. But look, Sheba, no glue was used to achieve this look. Okay, this wig came pre-everything, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-styled. Love Me Hair said, memes, don't worry, we've got you covered. Okay, so if you are a beginner and you don't like gluing down your wig and you want to look as gorgeous as me, check the link in my bio and get yourself this gorgeous glueless wig from Love Me Hair Company. So without any further ado, guys, let's get straight into today's video, and yeah, enjoy this no glue installation process. Guys, I've been MIA for close to 2 to 3 weeks because I was not feeling well. But when I received this, when I saw this box, girl, I was healed. Okay, my husband was like, baby, we are going out. As long as there's a Love Me Hair box in the house, we are going out. And trust me, the wig that I'm about to show you, it is a 10 out of 10. It is a bob wig. So let me show you guys what is inside. I'm so excited, as y'all can see. Automatically I am healed, okay, because of Love Me Hair. So this is the box. It is purple and silver. Let me show you guys what is inside. They were kind enough to send me this wig storage bag, a branded Love Me Hair clipper, these double-sided wig ear tapes, and of course this HD wig cap. Now this is straight out of the box. This is the wig, and I think y'all can see it is moving. If it's a Love Me Hair wig, it will move. When you shake it, it will do what it's supposed to do, okay? And it is pre-everything. It is pre-cut. Look at the lace. Look at the blend. Look at the blend. Do you see that? 10 out of 10. Okay, so it comes pre-bleached, pre-cut, and of course pre-styled. This wig has 3 combs, 2 on the side and 1 right here at the back. It has 2 adjustable belts and of course this adjustable band. It is non-slip. So we're going to use the double-sided ear tapes to achieve the glueless look, and I'm here for it, okay, because it means this wig is beginner friendly. Okay, no need for glue. You can glue it down because it is a 13x4. You can pat it anywhere, but we are not going to be gluing it down, okay? It is glueless, and I'm gonna show you how. The quality is 10 out of 10. It is bouncy, it is shiny. They literally cut it. Look at the bob situation. Look at what it's doing, guys. I'm going to be turning heads tonight, okay? So yeah, guys, the rest of the video is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this glueless installation process. And yeah, I can't wait to see how I'm going to look. I'm so excited. Okay, wait, guys, I don't think we are going to be needing those tapes because this wig is stuck. Look at the hairline, you guys. Wow, wow, wow. The hair is nice and soft. Do you see what they mean when they say pre everything? Look at the parting, you guys. Look how natural the parting looks. Let me show you how it looks at the back.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul. That's what I call my own. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we turn that look together. Come make us hold you for me.
No, love me here. No. I'm giving it to you. You are doing the most. What? This is absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. A 10 out of 10. Wow. A glueless frontal wig. Where have you seen it? This is, guys, I just want to shake my head so that you see this wig is not going anywhere. That I did not even use the tapes. There's no need for me to use the tapes. Thank you, Let Me Hair, for including the tapes, but we are not using the tapes because this wig fits like a glove. Like, it fits. It is not going anywhere. So I'm going to shake my head. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? I'm about to shake my head. I hope I don't have headache because, yeah, I'm about to shake this. The wig is intact. The wig did not move. Nothing. Okay? Don't say I don't love you. You see how much I proved. This wig is glueless. So do not say I don't plug you, I don't love you. Okay? So yeah, 10 out of 10. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and, of course, for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Love Me Hair Company. Until next time, you guys, bye-bye.